Okay, so I was literally walking along Ocean Parkway, which is a busy car auto highway sort of thing, and there's this walkway that doesn't allow bicycles. So I was just walking to go to the library. This is what it looks like. And as I walk, I see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parakeets join together as they see me walking and fly right in front of me. Oh, here's a 6th one that just flew in. This is incredible. You never really get to see this that often in Brooklyn. I don't really know why this is happening, but it's beautiful. Oh my God. What is going on? It's like they set you guys free. Here's one right there. Hey there, little guy. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Are you following me? Come here. Oh my God, they're so cute. This is the most random thing I've ever experienced in my life. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, there's a 7th one. Where are they coming from? What is going on here? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's some over there. I have no idea. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're here. This is incredible. They're so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 beautiful green parakeets in Brooklyn, in Midwood, out of nowhere, along Ocean Parkway. I'm speechless. Wow. There are 2 all the way over there. By the way, they're on the grass if you can't see them. They're kind of blending in with the green grass. But this is really a one of a kind. You don't really see this a lot. Usually there are pigeons everywhere, but this is really something else. Someone must have set them free. The cold weather here isn't exactly their climate, but they've gathered together on this cold winter day. You can see my breath. Incredible.